Using Bovada in Texas is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of online sports betting and casino games. To get started, you need to create an account on the Bovada website, which is accessible from Texas. First, navigate to the Bovada website and click on the Join button, located at the top right corner of the page. Fill out the registration form with your personal details, including name, email address, and date of birth. You will also need to create a username and password for your account. After completing the registration process, you will need to verify your account by providing identification documents, such as a driver's license or passport. This is a standard procedure to ensure that you are of legal age and to prevent fraud. Once your account is verified, you can make a deposit using a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies. Bovada offers a range of deposit bonuses and promotions, so be sure to check the website for the latest offers. To place a bet, navigate to the Sportsbook section of the website and select the sport or event you want to bet on. Choose your bet type, such as moneyline, point spread, or over, under, and enter your stake amount. You can also use the live betting feature to place bets on events that are currently in progress. In addition to sports betting, Bovada also offers a range of casino games, including slots, blackjack, and roulette. To play these games, simply navigate to the casino section of the website and select the game you want to play. It is essential to note that online sports betting and casino games are subject to Texas state laws and regulations. While Bovada is accessible from Texas, it is crucial to understand the laws and regulations surrounding online gaming in the state. To ensure a safe and enjoyable experience, always set a budget and stick to it, and never bet more than you can afford to lose. It is also essential to understand the terms and conditions of any bonuses or promotions you claim, as well as the rules of each game you play. By following these steps and guidelines, you can use Bovada in Texas safely and responsibly. Remember to always gamble within your means and to seek help if you have any concerns about your gaming habits.